All right, good morning. So Kirk Williams here, Texas Tech Plant and Soil Science Department, Viticulture and Enology Program. So just talking about real quickly, we're at the end of the spray season. So one of the things we need to be careful about is make sure that we drain all the water out. So we are looking here. So this is the main screen. So I've already taken that out, and you can see there was a fair amount of water in there. And so if that water stayed there, even at, a little bit below freezing, high degree of probability that you would have caused something to break. So once again, we can buy replacement parts, but it's a lot easier just to go ahead and try to drain all the water out of the tank as much as possible, out of the system, sprayer system as much as possible. So we got the main screen, which is probably the one that you're very familiar with. So we definitely take that off like we have in this that we're looking at. And then this sprayer has a particular situation where it's got a secondary screen before it goes all the way before it goes into the solenoids. And so we're gonna take this one off and drain it. And of course, obviously, if you left water in here, you could definitely do some damage. And of course, we flushed this with water previously, but we always forget to wear gloves when we're cleaning things up. So anyway, no water in that one, so that's good. The other spot that might be a low spot might be where from the pump, we're going to the nozzles, and so one of the spots that might collect water might be where the hoses go into the spray bar or into the nozzles, because the water is going to be at the lowest point in this hose. So might take a second and take this hose off. We'll see if there's any water in it. And there is. And of course, all that brass, this is all brass, and of course the brass is more expensive. So definitely want to take those off. And the other thing I like to do is maybe just spin the pump with your hand just to make sure that you kind of use the pump to push water out of the pump. And of course everything's open, so it should flow. And of course you can do that. And you can kind of hear the gurgling, and so that's good. All right. So happy fall, y'all, and make sure you drain all those sprayers.